Hey guys, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here again at Treviso Bay, and today we're going to preview the Carolina Terrace condominium. This is the non-golf terrace condos being offered by Lennar at Treviso Bay. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot condo unit, covered carport. Awesome interior finish. Let's take a look and see what they've done with the place. With the Carolina, you have 3 bedrooms, so directly to your right upon entering are both of the guest bedrooms. You have one guest bedroom here with the window looking out the front of the unit. And then just across the hallway, you have the secondary bedroom. Nice part about this bedroom is not only does it let in a lot of natural light because you have its own window, but it is also connected to the bathroom, so you can make it an ensuite. In the bathroom there are dual sinks, which is really nice. And then you have the tub and shower combination here with your commode. And so again, this connects to the bedroom here and also takes you out into the main hallway. So this is your main guest bathroom. Directly across from the entryway is your private laundry facility here. Plenty of room for storage, and there also is a pocket door here, that way you can close this off while you're doing your laundry. And that brings us into the main area of this condo. Directly to our left you have a nice dining space here. You can see there's a 6-person table there, plenty of room to fit. And this opens up into a nice great room style area here in the Carolina. You've got the kitchen island overlooking the living space. Nice sized pantry in the corner. You've got the white cabinets. You've got the granite countertops, the stainless steel appliances, tile on the diagonal. That's all part of Lennar's everything included package with these condos. Hurricane impact glass and doors is part of the package as well. And you also get crown molding throughout all the main areas and also in the bedrooms. The master bedroom, that is. Nice great room size space here for entertaining, and this overlooks your covered lanai, where you can see plenty of room for 4 chairs, little table, dining al fresco overlooking the lake. And here's a look back at the main area here, so you can have a better look of the kitchen overlooking the great room. And that leads us into the master, the last room here to look at. Really nice size master suite. This one here has a king size bed, so it'll give you a good idea of how nicely that fits. Something else to consider as well, when you buy one of these units, they do come with the 2-inch faux wood blinds like you see on the window there. The master here has 2 closets, one on each side, and then you've got the bathroom here with the single sink, the commode. There is a linen closet here as well. And then directly behind me you have the standalone shower, which is actually pretty deep if you look in there. And one other thing the Terrace condos offer as well, in addition to this very easy lifestyle turnkey type of scenario with these units, you also get a storage facility directly out front of the unit. So for example, in this particular Carolina, you have the storage unit directly out front of your home, and within there is your hot water tank, and you can see that there's plenty of space here to store bicycles, pool rafts, basically anything that you need while you're back home. Alright folks, so this is the Carolina floor plan by Lennar Homes in Treviso Bay. They're also offering this same plan now at Babcock National. We can help you buy these Carolinas in any community Lennar has to offer. You can reach out to me, Roberto Lee, by emailing roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. You can also call me 239-671-4046, 239-671-4046 For all the latest and greatest information about Treviso Bay, you can visit our website, trevisobayatnaples.com. That's trevisobayatnaples.com. Thanks for looking, guys, and as always, we'll see you next time.